On the cover of his book, you can see my son when he's riding a bicycle. When he was learning to ride a bicycle, I noticed something fascinating. He did not use rules. He learned from experience. He tried, he failed, he changed his behavior over and over. Slowly, he became better. The very same principle lies in the heart of many modern AI systems. They are performing well, very well, not by being given knowledge in advance, but by interacting with an environment, learning from the consequences of different actions. This is called reinforcement learning. For many years I have worked with reinforcement learning, but I kept seeing the same problem. There are excellent research papers, many advanced textbooks, but for the beginner who wants to easily learn, understand and apply reinforcement learning, there was a gap. How to teach reinforcement learning without overwhelming the reader with mathematics and advanced theory, that became the starting point of his book. The target group includes engineering students, professionals, and anyone curious about artificial intelligence. What makes this book different from other books in the field? One difference is that it contains hundreds of small solved examples. The idea is similar to many textbooks in physics, mathematics, and engineering. You learn one concept at a time, step by step. The book also contains larger coding examples. These examples show how the algorithms work in practice. They are explained with graphics in the book. Several of the coded examples are also explained visually through animations on YouTube. This makes it easier to see what is happening, to understand the problems, not only read about them. The code for the examples is publicly available on GitHub, so readers can run the code themselves. The book also covers a broad range of reinforcement learning algorithms, so the reader can move from the basic principles to some of the most important methods in modern artificial intelligence.